Alright guys, today is day 4 of my data analysis class. So fit check real quick. Today this weather deceived me and I wore jacket but anyways, beautiful view. Akwa Ibom is a beautiful state, trust me. Today I got quite early to class. While I was waiting for the first batch to finish, I just had to sit back and revise and also get ready for today's lectures. First, we looked into what we didn't finish up from the last class, which is sorting. I learned that the right way of sorting your data is make sure you always select everything on your table before sorting. And then we looked at filtering of data, which was literally the last thing we had to cover from the last class. So on today's class, we're dealing on Excel basics too. Then we looked at how Excel thinks. Then we looked at order of operation, which is BODMAS, structured formulas, how to identify an error and fix it. Then we dived into introduction to functions. Here we looked at sum functions, we looked at average functions, we looked at count and counter functions. The count function is used for numbers, while the counter function is used for missing or non-empty cells. We looked at the minimum and max functions. We tried out some examples and dived into introduction to logical functions. First, we looked at if functions, which is used in single conditions. Then we looked at the ifs function, which is used in multiple conditions, checks conditions in an order. Then we looked at the AND function, all conditions must be true. Then we finally looked at the OR functions, at least one condition must be true. We practiced more examples, our instructor checked our assignments, gave us more assignments, and that was it for the day. See you on my next video. Peace.